Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today how to keep your Bosch washing machine hygienically fresh. And we do this by running a drum clean washing program. If you've got this icon up here on your front panel, it's reminding you to run a drum clean washing program. Now you can turn this reminder off if you want to, and there's a link above now about how to do that. But ideally you should run a drum clean about every 30 washing cycles, and you do this to keep your washing machine clean and fresh, and also it prevents any mould and bacteria building up. And the one thing that keeps me fresh is a lovely cup of tea. Today I'm going to be using Dr. Beckmann's washing machine cleaner. There are other brands available, and what you do with this is you literally pour it straight inside the washing machine drum, obviously with no laundry in there at all. Make sure you get every last bit of powder out. Put that cardboard box in the recycling. Close your washing machine door. And then on the front panel, select the drum clean cycle. Now this is a super hot cycle, takes just over an hour. And if we select the temperature, it automatically sets it to 90 degrees centigrade. Then press the start reload button. My advice would be to put the child lock on, and there's a link above now about how to do that. I always put the child lock on when I'm doing any washing program. And then what this will do is this will give your washing machine a really good deep clean at a super hot temperature, and just kill off any bacteria and make it smell really nice and fresh. You'll get lots of soap suds, which is all part of the cleaning program. Make sure there's no children around while you're doing this washing machine program, because the temperature of the water is 90 degrees centigrade and that front glass will get really hot. Then it will do a final rinse through with hot water. Whilst we're waiting for this, there's a link above now about what to do if your washing machine is not draining water. Right, final spin. Let's open the door, make sure you turn any child lock off if you've got that on, and then we'll go for a quick sniff test. Oh, tell you what, it looks great and it smells great. As I mentioned earlier, it's a really good idea to do this after about 30 washing cycles. And another top tip, after you've done any kind of washing cycle, make sure you leave the dispenser drawer slightly open and the drum door open, just to give a bit of ventilation to the washing machine and stop it smelling. I hope you found that useful. Up here is a link on how to keep your washing machine hygienically fresh. And over on this side is how to turn off the annoying beeping sounds on this Bosch washing machine. Thanks for visiting my channel everyone. I really appreciate it.